Machines are believed to be a tool that could help in limiting the spread of COVID-19 as they can assist healthcare professionals not meet up with patients as much as they have to nowadays. Here's producer Sandile Hlangani.
Many industries have opened with individuals returning to some degree of normality. Airports around the world are opening for domestic travel, and many businesses are slowly opening their doors to customers once again. At the same time, hospitals around the country are preparing for spikes in COVID-19. Amidst this looms a great deal of uncertainty around safety relating to the contraction of COVID-19. To assist in mitigating this uncertainty and to provide a high level of protection against COVID-19, a South African company says it has brought the most advanced robot to Africa.
Well, I think today, particularly, Ms. Antila, we're struggling at the moment with a pandemic and an outbreak. Not just the surfaces, but also the air. We're finding nowadays that there's a lot of studies that are actually documenting the aerosolization, they call it, of the COVID-19 virus. And so, making sure that we're able to sanitize or actually disinfect our surfaces and our air constantly is obviously of high importance to the safeguarding of every individual, both in hospitals and hospital settings, but also outside. We find that some of the sectors are trying to reopen safely. We find this with the hotel industry. We find it with the airports, etc. as well. To try and reintroduce travel again. So a device like the UBD robot comes in handy quite a bit in these kinds of instances. So we're trying to really make sure that we can launch effectively and safely.
This robot has a very special application in healthcare where doctors will be able to conduct virtual consultations with patients or other specialists. Across the world, new robots designs are quickly emerging in an attempt to make spaces safe again, like this remote-controlled robot, developed by Argentinian robotics firm, is equipped with disinfecting vapor cannon. According to its developers, the robot can sanitize large areas inside and out and may help the country get back to work after lockdown.
As it is, it can be used in a variant of applications from inside of buildings such as this, external shopping centres, churches. It can be operated from 100 metres away currently. That's just because we've chose that as our goals. That could be changed to whatever customer preference. It could go inside of a building and disinfect the inside of different rooms inside of the building while the operator sits in a car outside. And again, that's just because that's what we've chose to do to show what we can do.
Nexmed says, while a human can't cover every millimeter of a space that needs sterilization, this robot can and has disinfection rate of more than 99%.
So basically, the UBD robot, we take it down to its basic functioning, is a preventative device. So it's able to rapidly decontaminate and disinfect areas up to 99.999% autonomously.
Over in Asia, Hong Kong International Airport is deploying 12 cleaning robots which spray disinfectant and clean floors. Those in the industry say a number of applications have been deployed so far, and the following are just a few ways of how AI and automation could solve health challenges.
Samsung